In this video, I want to display the MC1100e Motorized Controller. This 4-axis push-button controller allows sub-micron positioning and is compatible with Siskiyou series actuators, manipulators, and linear stages. The controller has 2 preset speed settings: rapid at 1700 microns per second and medium at 300 microns per second. The third speed selector has a variable potentiometer that enables 1 to 2 microns to 50 microns per second velocity. With the speed selector set at the slowest setting, consistent 0.2 micron moves are easily made with a simple push of a button. The controller uses encoder feedback from the motor to drive the device. This encoder coupling enables the use of the DR1000 digital readout for repeated positioning requirements. Sold separately, the user can choose to have 1 display or up to 4 per junction box. The MC1100e has a target retract feature on axis 1 only. Target retract allows our user to set a target location at the desired point by using the reference set button. When it becomes necessary to back away from the experiment area, the user simply presses the retract button on the controller. The stage on axis 1 then automatically retracts to the full negative limit. The user can then return to the previously set position within a micron by simply depressing the target button. Setting this as the home position. Now fully retracting the stage. Once retracted, the user can now change the head stage or pipettes if necessary, and then hitting the target brings it right back to position. The target retract feature is also available on our rotary dial units. The MC1100e RT 4-dial and the MC1100e R1/4T single dial controllers. We also have users manuals available to download from the website. The manuals do include troubleshooting if needed. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your research.